In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get 1000 subscribers. If you apply this strategy today, then on the fifth day, you should be having 1000 subscribers and above. This is one of my channel before, and this is my channel now. Do you know, on the first day of my upload, on the first day that I applied this strategy, I was able to get these subscribers. So make sure you watch this video to the end if you want to get your 1000 subscribers just in 2 days. If you follow this strategy that I will be showing you today, you may get your first 1000 subscribers on the second day or the third day, the fourth or the fifth. Just count from the second day of upload, then to the fifth day, you should be having your 1000 subscribers and above. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I teach creators on how to grow on YouTube. So if you want to get your first 1000 subscribers and if you want to grow on YouTube, if you want to grow more on YouTube, don't hesitate to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also remember to turn on your notification so that you'll be notified each time I upload growth hacks like this. There are two things I will be doing. First, I'll be taking you to my YouTube Studio Analytics to show you how I was able to get these 1000 subscribers. And the second step is that I will take you to the YouTube app to show you the strategy on how to get 1000 subscribers. So let's go. Guys, like I said before, I'll be taking you to my YouTube Studio dashboard to show you how I was able to get my 1000 subscribers on this particular channel. Okay, this is my dashboard here. As you can see, as of today, I have 1487 subscribers. Yes, as of today that I'm making this video. And then, okay, we are going to the analytics now to show you how I was able to get these subscribers. This is the analysis. I'll be showing you my top contents. Yes, these are my top content. As you can see, top content, these are my top content. I'll be showing you maybe 2 or 3 videos. Yes, I'll be showing you the analytics of the videos. So let's click on the first video here to show the analytics. Okay, this is the analytics. Here I got 27,000 views and see the subscribers. This is what I say that you can be able to get your subscribers in 2 days. Look at just one video. Look at the subscribers that I got in just one video plus 894 is more than is up to 900. Okay, so I have here plus 894 subscribers on one video, just one video. Imagine if you follow this strategy and then post up to 3 or 4 shots. Imagine the subscribers that you'll be getting. Okay, let's check another one. This is the another short video. Okay, this I have 18,000 views, 18.9 thousand, and then the subscribers I have a plus 388 subscribers. Just 2 videos I was able to get 1000 subscribers. Okay, is there a need for us to go further? I think I'll be showing you on a studio app. Yes, no, sorry, I'll be showing you on the YouTube app how you can be able to get these subscribers. Okay, let's go to the studio app now.
Okay, guys, like I said before, I'll be taking you to my YouTube app to show you how I was able to get this. Okay, just listen very well and follow this strategy step by step. We are going to go over to this is my YouTube dashboard anyway. This is it. Okay, we are going to go over to the search bar. You click on the search bar. Yeah, this is our search bar. We're showing you what you should be able to upload. We are going to upload a short because with short you can be able to get your subscribers faster and easier. Okay, short is the fastest way to get subscribers. We are going to go over to this search bar. You type a prosperity x like you can see here is just showing in my already search bar because I've searched for this particular word. Okay, I'll be clicking on this prosperity x. Just once you search prosperity x, it will be showing you this dashboard. We'll be clicking on the view. We're going to click on view channel. Okay, this is the dashboard. Okay, this is the dashboard. Then here are the shots that we are going to make use of. here are the shots that you are going to make use of. These are the shots. Okay, here you'll be choosing the one that has a highest views. Yes, you'll be choosing the one that has highest views. Listen very well. Okay, like you can see, the first one has a 800 and 85,000 views. We are not going for that one. The second one has 1.2 million views. Is fair, and the third one has 3.4 million views. So this one we have a 1.7 million views, and look at the one we are going to be using here.
We'll be using the one with a 5.8 million views. So the first day you can use these highest views, then the second day of your upload or the second upload of your shot, you can be able to use another one with 3.4, then you start going like that. Okay, you can still repeat this method, you can repeat it.
Okay, this is the particular video that we'll be choosing. We'll be choosing the one with the highest views, which is 5.8 million. Which clicking this is the particular video. Guys, I want you to notice these things that I'm about to mention. First, you are going to be noticing the caption that this prosperity x used. Okay, this is the caption. You are out if this is true about you. You are going to write it exactly like we wrote it here. If you click on this caption, you'll be seeing the views here. You'll be seeing that he used only one hashtag, which is shorts, hashtag shorts. You'll be using this particular hashtag and this particular caption like he wrote it here. Okay, let's proceed. We'll be clicking on this particular sign here, this sign, this sign here. Then it will be showing this. It will show this. You'll be clicking on collab. You will select collab. Okay, this is the short one we are going to use, the one we use as collab. Remember here you are seeing 15.0 seconds. You are going to click on the top right here to increase the seconds. See, it has changed from 15 to 53 seconds. Just follow this step. Okay, then you drag till the end to increase it to, it has increased to 53 seconds. Then you'll be clicking next. Be clicking on next. Wait for it to process. So it will take about 1 minute for it to process and then everything.
So after here, it will show this interface. Then you click on that record sign, the red big button. Then you'll be seeing things like this. Once it reaches this particular place, when the video is recording, then you just have to react according to what the video is saying. Once it says like, as you can see how I shoot my hand like this, then I'm just reacting to what the video is saying. You should be doing that too when the video is playing. After reaching here, you'll be clicking on the good sign after your recording. Then here is your video. This is your video after recording. You'll be clicking on the next button to show another interface. Okay, it's loading. Okay, here you'll be using the same caption, the exact caption, and the short hashtag. You'll be putting in the same caption. Remember I said you'll be using the same caption and hashtag, the same hashtag. So you will put all the caption and the hashtag here, which is a you are out if this is true about you. You will be putting everything. After that, you go ahead and upload your shots. This is how you can be able to get your 1000 subscribers faster and easier. Guys, let me tell you what you should know about this. For you to get a quicker result, make sure you upload 2 to 3 shots daily. For me, I just choose one day, 7 a.m. Nigerian time. For me, I was uploading once daily. Yes, but if you are the type of person that couldn't wait, you want to get a very quicker result, yes, you should be uploading 2 to 3 shots daily using the method I taught you. And again, if you are doing a long form video, one thing you should know is that short subscribers do not watch long form videos. This is just for you to get 1,000 subscribers. If you are uploading long form, immediately you get this long form immediately you get this your 1,000 subscribers, you are going to go and unlist this short that you posted. Yes, when you unlist it, people can't see it, but it's already there, the impressions are there. Yes, just unlist them and start uploading your own long form video for you to start getting your subscribers, people that will watch your long form videos. From there you will get more subscribers from there and get people to watch more of your videos there for you to get your 4,000 watch hours. But if you choose to upload short, then this is the best method for you. You don't need to unlist anything.
If you still haven't subscribed or liked my video, please do well to subscribe to this channel and stay on this channel, because this month you will be getting the tips on how you can be able to grow your YouTube channel. And if you wish to see more of this kind of content, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you on my next video. Bye.